أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Assalamu alaikum. Bahria Model School, Montessori Wing. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your day. First of all, I would like to say welcome to all of you in class 1. I am your English teacher, Miss Samreen. Today is our first class of English. Before starting our lesson, all you should have your Broadway English book. As you can see the picture of book. Lecture number 1, an action poem, course book, page number 11. Open your books and keep pencil in your hand.
Assalamu alaikum students, this is Oxford Broadway English 1. Let's start the reading of first chapter. This is an action poem. In this poem, different actions are being described. What is needed here? To underline all the actions and write down the meanings. You have to see the picture as well. Let's start the reading. Pat the red pot. Pat is an action. Underline this. Pat means hit. Pat means hit. Hit like this. Okay. Where is the red pot in the picture? Yeah, this one is the red pot. And what is asked? Pat the red pot. What is asked? Pat the red pot. Spin the blue top. In this line, action is spin. What is action? Spin. Okay, write down the meaning of spin. Spin means move. Spin means move. Underline the word spin and write down meaning move. Okay. Take a little step. In this line, take is an action. What is action? Take. What is action? Take. The meaning of take is have. Meaning of take is have. What is the meaning of take? Have. Write it down. Bow to me. Bow to me. Bow is an action. Bow is an action. Can you see the girl in the picture? Yeah, this girl. She is showing the action bow. Which action she is showing? Bow. Bow means bend. Bow means bend. Write down bend. Bow means bend. Let's start the next stanza. Hold the black cat. Hold the black cat. Hold, underline hold. Hold means catch. Hold means catch. Write it down here. Hold means catch. Hold the black cat. This is the black cat. Okay. Pet the white dog. Where is the dog? Look, this is the dog. What is asked here? Pet the white dog. Underline pet. Underline pet. Pet means stroke. Pet means stroke. Write down meaning stroke. What is the meaning of pet? Stroke. Take a little step. Take a little step. Underline take. Bow to him. Underline bow. Next stanza. Catch a butterfly. Can you see the butterfly in the picture? Yeah, this is butterfly. And which action? Catch. Which action? Catch. Underline action? Catch. Meaning of catch is hold. What is the meaning of catch? Hold. Chase a rainbow. Can you see the rainbow in the picture? Yeah, this is the rainbow. This rainbow is having 7 colors. Where do you see the rainbow? Yeah, in the sky. When do you see the rainbow? Yeah, after the rain. Yes. And in this line, action word is chase. Action word is chase. Chase means follow. Chase means follow. You can also say go after. You can also say go after. Write down meaning follow. Take a little step. Bow to her. Clap your little hands. Now the last stanza. Clap your little hands. You know, clap is also an action. How to clap? You have to strike hands. You have to strike hands for clapping. Underline clap. Okay. The meaning of clap is strike hands. The meaning of clap is strike hands. How to clap? This way to clap. How to clap? This way to clap. Smile a happy smile. Smile a happy smile. Look at this happy smile. Smile is an action word. Smile is an action word. Take a big step. Bow to us. So this poem is having a lot of actions. You see the action: pat, spin, take, bow, hold, pat, take, bow, catch, chase, take, bow, clap, smile, take, bow. Thank you.
The red pot, spin the blue top. Pat the red pot, spin the blue top.
Pat the red pot, spin the blue top. Pat the red pot, spin the blue top.
Take a little step, bow to me. Take a little step, bow to me.
Take a little step, bow to me. Take a little step, bow to me.
Hold the black cat, pet the white dog. Hold the black cat, pet the white dog.
Hold the black cat, pet the white dog. Hold the black cat, pet the white dog.
Take a little step, bow to him. Take a little step, bow to him.
Take a little step, bow to him. Take a little step, bow to him.
Catch a butterfly, chase a rainbow. Catch a butterfly, chase a rainbow.
Catch a butterfly, chase a rainbow. Catch a butterfly, chase a rainbow.
Take a little step, bow to her. Take a little step, bow to her.
Take a little step, bow to her. Take a little step, bow to her.
Clap your little hands, smile a happy smile. Clap your little hands, smile a happy smile.
Clap your little hands, smile a happy smile. Clap your little hands, smile a happy smile.
Take a big step, bow to us. Take a big step, bow to us.
Take a big step, bow to us. Take a big step,